So I got a job. I work now for a guy like 2 days a week. I really appreciate it. So I have to find trucks in Johannesburg City. It's a lot of stress and stuff, and it's really like that the world is too much. Like if you can see it, like when a sheep doesn't look like a sheep anymore, or and you have to live like that. So I ate my vegetables for the day, and yeah. So regarding that Nancy Guthrie lady that's gone, like this guy, like did the skeletal thing and stuff, and I kept thinking it's wrong because he seems to be very tall, you know. So I see he wear like size 12 shoes. So and Google has that information because you activate it with advanced settings. I'm not gonna do it. Like I didn't do anything to promote anything here. So yeah, I see the colonel that is like gathering South Africans is here, and I laugh my ass off. He's going to stay.